Americans are packing into theaters to see American Sniper, the real-life story of the man known as America's deadliest sniper, Navy SEAL Chris Kyle, played by actor Bradley Cooper.
I'll pick it up.
The film is breaking box office records this debut weekend, earning $105 million in weekend ticket sales and 6 Academy Award nominations.
I loved it. I loved it.
It was a very emotionally stressful movie, I thought.
It's pretty good. Very compelling.
Very good. Excellent.
Not so excellent, however, in the minds of some in Hollywood. Actor Seth Rogen tweeting, quote, "American Sniper kind of reminds me of the movie that's showing in the third act of Inglourious Bastards." And filmmaker Michael Moore igniting a firestorm on Twitter, quote, "My uncle killed by sniper in World War II. We were taught snipers were cowards. We'll shoot you in the back. Snipers aren't heroes, and invaders are worse." Then 5 hours later, quote, "But if you're on the roof of your home defending it from invaders who've come 7,000 miles, you are not a sniper. You are brave. You are a neighbor." Moore's comments about cowards definitely getting some pushback.
For somebody who has spent their entire career on freedom of speech and freedom of expression, to be criticizing an individual like Chris Kyle, who exemplifies the very best, well, it's like that's really biting the hand that feeds you.
And moviegoers we spoke to also took issue with the perceived criticism.
I think he was fighting for this country. He was doing what he thought was right. None of us who don't serve or can't serve have no idea what our soldiers are going through.
Whether Moore was actually talking about the film American Sniper is now sort of a gray area, tweeting, quote, "I never tweeted one word about American Sniper, Chris Kyle. I said my uncle killed by sniper in World War II. Only cowards would do that to him and others." He goes on to say, quote, "So people want me to tweet something about American Sniper. Great acting, powerful message, sad ending. There." Then sending people to his Facebook page for further clarification. Regardless, one thing seems crystal clear on the streets among the masses who saw American Sniper.
It's not a coward. It's a matter of taking, doing what he was told to do and what he was trained to do.
I'm ready.
George Howell, CNN, Chicago.